Hello everyone, and today we're going to make a simple R to reset script. Inside of workspace, add a script, and let's just do R to reset. Yeah, you can name this whatever you want. I will just do this. Okay, simple script. Go in here, delete this. Game.players dot player added dot point connect function, and let's do PLR as in player. Then player dot character added dot point connect function character, just like this. And then for I comma v in pairs, do in pair script dot point get children do boom like this. V dot point clone dot parent equals character. But what are we going to clone into our character, because we have no children in our script? Well, let's make a local script which will be our children, and let's just make this reset. Yeah, inside of here, let's add a debounce. We can actually do local debounce. Yeah, equals to 0 equals game dot players dot point get players from character script dot parent dot point get mouse. There we go. M dot key down to this dot point connect function e. Yeah, so it's another thing you can do, as in like this Eden but key code. Okay, so then if key dot point lower equals R, then debounce equals debounce plus 1 delay. Let's make this 0.5 comma function like this, and inside of here, and then do if debounce and squiggly 9 like this equals to 1, then debounce equals to 0. Yeah, and then go here, press enter here. If debounce is equals to 1, then if debounce is equals to 1, then script.parent point break joint like this. Now normally if we play this game and we press R, we die. Now of course you see this respawn time, it's super slow. If you want it to be much faster, we can do this right now. So in here, let's add some locals. Local spawn delay time equals 0. Local function on that underscore callback player. There we go. Print player dot name dot dies awaiting respawn. Just a simple print function. Oh wait, the brackets, and here we close them again. Okay, then here let's do game dot players dot character auto loads equals false. Game dot players dot player added dot point connect function player. Okay, then do player dot character added dot point connect function character. There we go. And then local t I will do equals os dot time boom. Oh, let me fix it. Okay, like this. While double brackets, not character, double point find first child like this. Oh, find first child humanoid away from these double brackets, and os dot time like this minus d is here like this is smaller than 10. And what we're gonna do is wait 0.2 away from this end. If os dot time minus d is bigger or equal to 10, then warn timeout error. Else we're gonna do is character dot humanoid dot tides dot point connect function with nothing inside of this. If type on that callback equals to function, then what we're gonna do is on that callback player go here, wait spawn delay time player dot point load character equals to true, wait 2 seconds player dot point load character. Wait, I will just do maybe 0.1, maybe this will be better. And normally when we respawn, you can see we automatically respawn. I think it's a bit faster if we even do just like 0 seconds. Respawn instantly when we press R. Yep, that works. Well, this was a tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. The model will just be the script. You put it in the workspace, you know, and it will work. Also, make sure to join the Discord in the description down below, where you will find all the free models that I'll be making in the upcoming videos. But of course, you'll also find it in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.